Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents from Notion to Google Docs step by step clearly. Open Notion on your device. Navigate to the page containing the documents you want to transfer. Select the content area by clicking and dragging your cursor to highlight the text. Once highlighted, right-click on the selected text. Choose the copy option from the context menu. Open Google Docs in a new tab or window. Create a new document by clicking on the blank template. Click inside the new document to set your cursor. Right-click in the Google Docs document. Select the Paste option from the context menu. Review the pasted content for formatting issues. If necessary, adjust any text formatting to match your preferences. For images or tables, repeat the copying process for each individual item. In Notion, right-click the image or table to select Copy. Return to Google Docs and place your cursor where you want to insert the item. Right-click and choose Paste to insert the image or table. Once all content is transferred, review the entire document for clarity and layout. Make any final edits and adjustments as needed. Your documents have now been successfully transferred from Notion to Google Docs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.